I come to one more interesting topic. My name is Pranav. I'm academic head of Clat Tutor Bangalore. And what topic we are going to cover today comes out to be the Abel Prize of 2021. So which is also considered as the Nobel Prize for Mathematics. Okay. So two gentlemen whom first, the image, it states about the Laszlo Lovász, who is from Hungary, and Avi Wingenderson is from Israel. Okay, so these two gentlemen who has got the Abel Prize 2021. So let us just understand what research they have worked on and what type of work has been done and which has been taken them to this award. Talking about the Lovász, he is 3 times, he was continuously, he has been gold medalist in the mathematics Olympiad. So you can understand the interest what he carries for the maths. First is a theoretical computer, discrete maths, on which areas he specialized or he has done a lot of work on it. And his work in fundamental sense, if you look at right now the encryption process, what you find, or the number theory, cryptography and mobile communication, what you find right now, all those encryption things, end-to-end encryption, what you find, or some of the securities what you see in your system is all research driven by Lovász. Okay, so this is what his algorithm has helped us to design these encryptions. So right now, if your system is secured enough, so all due to the research which has provided us for the theoretical computer to take assistance from the discrete maths. Discrete maths is basically where things are forming a graph type of pattern. They look very different, or they are independent, but they are somehow connected. That is called discrete maths. And theoretical computer is where we try to assign an algorithm to a computer to do what we want them to do. So basically we program them. That is what comes out of it. Both of them combined together makes it the modern math. So it's worked on both of the things, and we have used that know-how to take it for the encryption process. Fine. Talking about the second part, I was highly impressed with the Wingerson. Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce it the right way it has to be done. So one interesting fact what he has done is that zero knowledge proof. If you ask me, this is very interesting. So that means I'm able to convince you about something without giving the evidence. So that is what it comes out of zero knowledge proof. So this is very, very interesting. And if you ask me pertaining to the legal, if someone is able to achieve that type of level, if we are able to use computer to prove that aspect, I think you will we can see, see change in the legal part. Fine. So this is very interesting. I will share a link with you because these are very technical in nature. I might not be the right person to help you out to understand what is happening. So I will share the link with you. Please have a look at that. That is also a 5 to 6 minutes of video by one of the scientists. Most probably he has put out what they have done. Thank you so much. In case further to this, if you have any query, please send us an email on hello@clattutor.com. In case if you find that we are adding value to your knowledge base, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Do provide feedback to us in the comment section to improve on. Thank you. Good day.